Why do only a few survive the unimaginable? Meet Travis Rice, the miracle in the mountains. Professional snowboarder Travis Rice faced the unthinkable in 2012. Swept away by a 500-foot avalanche in Jackson Hole, Wyoming, he was buried under 6 feet of snow. His GoPro helmet cam captured every heart-stopping second. Watch as he activates his avalanche airbag and vanishes into a crevasse. But the story doesn't end there. With sheer determination and grit, Travis dug himself out, only to find his snowboard torn from his feet. With nothing but his resilience, he hiked for hours and returned to the resort, where his friends had already held a memorial service for him, assuming he hadn't survived. Travis's miraculous escape is a testament to the power of the human spirit. This is a tale of determination, resilience, and pure luck. Don't miss the viral GoPro footage of his incredible survival. Witness the miracle in the mountains today.